In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HEVC H.265 videos to H.264 using Handbrake, all within just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself struggling with compatibility issues when playing HEVC files, converting them to H.264 can be a perfect solution. It's a popular format widely accepted by most devices and platforms. Let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you have Handbrake installed on your computer. If not, you can download it for free from the Handbrake website. Once installed, go ahead and launch the application. You should be greeted by a simple, user-friendly interface designed to make video conversion as straightforward as possible. Now let's load your HEVC video file. You can do this in two ways. One option is to click on File under the Source section at the top left corner. This will open a dialog box where you can browse and select the HEVC file you wish to convert. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your video file directly onto the main interface, which is a quick and convenient option. Once your video is loaded, it's time to choose the output format. Navigate to the Summary tab, where you can select the container format. You have the choice between MP4 and MKV, both are excellent choices, but MP4 is generally more widely supported across different devices and platforms. So, unless you have a specific reason to choose MKV, MP4 is a safe bet. Next, head over to the Video tab. Here, you'll need to select the H.264 codec, also known as X.264. This step is crucial because it determines the video compression standard you'll be using for your conversion. H.264 is known for balancing quality and file size effectively, so it's an ideal choice for most users. At this stage, you might want to consider customizing other video settings to better suit your preferences. These include options for frame rate, bitrate, and resolution. If you're not sure what settings to choose, you can always use one of Handbrake's presets, which are designed to provide a good balance between quality and file size. Selecting a preset can save you time and effort while ensuring your converted video meets your expectations. Before you start the conversion, you need to decide where to save the converted file. Click on Browse to choose the destination folder on your computer. Make sure to select a location that's easy to remember so you can find your file once the conversion is complete. Finally, it's time to start the encoding process. Simply hit the Start Encode button and Handbrake will begin converting your HEVC file into H.264. The time it takes will depend on your video's length and the power of your computer, but Handbrake is optimized for efficiency. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to convert HEVC H.265 files to the more widely compatible H.264 format using Handbrake. We hope this video has been helpful and makes your video conversion process a little smoother. Thanks for watching and happy converting.